Hey guys, look at what I did today. Okay, check this out. It's for a baby shower. I'm almost done. I still have some. Look at that. So join me as I finish making the balloons.
So you keeping the arch over here?
No, I was just putting it over here to keep it outdoor. Where's your dessert table?
It's gonna be here. If you don't move it, we can keep it here. I have a round table here for a dessert table.
Yeah, we can move the arch anywhere you want.
So you think you can put it? Wait, how about we can put it here in the middle?
Yeah, that's fine. But then do you have the baby shower, the box?
Huh?
The boxes, the baby.
Yes, we made it already home.
All right.
So we're gonna bring it. So the arch is gonna be here in the middle with this cake. Okay, heavy solid table. It's gonna be over here.
Hello, sis. No, it's a baby shower. It's my friend's. I'm helping my neighbor decorate. So I'm in charge of the balloons. And so I did a balloon arch. It's a baby shower. It's not party. It's another party, but yeah. Look at that. Almost done. Almost done. So it's another side business that I do. I do event coordination, event organizing, and then I also do balloons. What else? You name it. O, diba? All around. show you something really quick. Okay. Wait lang. Somebody's calling. Hi, Ate Bea. Hindi pa happy birthday. Wait lang. Hello, Ate. Okay. Call me when you're at the place, so I can tell them when I'm done. I'm almost done, and then I'll be right there. Okay? I'm gonna tell them that you guys are coming. Can you text me Ruby's last name because I need to put your names. No, this is for this is not for my birthday. It's for a baby shower. So I'm doing organizing event organizing right now. So and then I'm doing the balloon. You like it? Thank you.
That spell out baby.
Yes.
هي كتعاون الناس يشوفوهم من ديورهم. Honey?
Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful.
Uh-huh.
Who made that?
Katiha.
That is a crib or like a little bassinet.
Like a
Look at
little
that.
bassinet.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Hello everyone. So today I am organizing an event. No, sis. Uy, hindi ko birthday. Oh my gosh. It's a baby shower. Baby shower ng aking neighbor. And so, I'm helping out with, look, there's more, like, all the baby stuff. Yes, handsome? Look! Yeah, hindi ko birthday pa. Although it's my birthday, but yeah, I'm just doing organizing. I mean, event coordinator. Oh my goodness, kulit.
What I did until here.
Who made that? Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at the diaper cake. Ah, it's so beautiful. Okay, Fatiha, where do you want the arch? Where do you want the arch? Over here? Okay. Look at the arch. Look at all that. So beautiful. I'm so excited. Look at this.
Yeah, that's your phone.
Hello girl, nasa ka? Ay, hindi. Nakabalik na ako. Andito ako sa clubhouse. Tapos na akong mag-ano ng balloons for baby shower. Ano, pupunta ka ba sa Mountain Drive? Oo, pupunta na. Mamaya-maya. 30 minutes. Oh my gosh. Okay, what do you think? Beautiful. Look at that. I found like 2 balloons left. So we're just gonna add this kasi sayang naman. The 6 foot you want? Yes. Okay guys, look. So this is what I did today. It's a baby shower balloon arch right there. And then still setting up. And then take a look at this, so beautiful. Right there, and then diaper cake. So cute! Okay. Alright, well thank you guys for watching. We'll see you again later. I'll be at the Arizona Asian Moon Festival the rest of the night. Probably come back here for a little bit to join the party. Okay, later. Bye.